We live in an age of spiritual information overload, but not everything that glows is made of gold. In the Matrix, the most dangerous trap isn't the obvious darkness, the false light. If you've ever felt off about a popular guru or a trendy spiritual movement but couldn't explain why, your discernment was trying to speak. Today, I'm giving you the 5 levels of spiritual discernment. Stay with me until the very end, because level 5 is the ultimate master key. It's the only way to ensure you never fall for a spiritual deception ever again. Let's begin. Part 1, The Mirage of the New Age. Before we can use our discernment, we have to understand the nature of the trap. In the Gnostic tradition, it is understood that the control system doesn't just use fear, it uses imitation. It creates false light to mirror the true source. Think of it like a desert mirage. If you are thirsty and lost, you will run toward the first sign of water you see. The system relies on your spiritual thirst to lead you into new cages that look like sanctuaries. Discernment is the ability to tell the difference between the oasis and the mirage. It is the most important skill for a sovereign being in 2026. Without it, you are just a spiritual tourist being guided by the very system you are trying to escape. False light often presents as unconditional love without boundaries or ascension without the hard work of shadow integration. It promises a shortcut to the finish line, but it's a shortcut that leads back to the beginning of the loop. Part 2, Level 1, Somatic Resonance, the body's compass. The first and most immediate level of discernment is somatic resonance. Your physical body is a highly advanced frequency meter. Long before your logical mind can process a lie, your nervous system has already detected it. Your body is connected to the field in a way that your analytical mind is not. Have you ever listened to someone speak, someone who was saying all the right spiritual words, but you felt a subtle clench in your stomach? Or perhaps a tightness in your throat? That is level 1 discernment. The false light often carries a frequency of contraction. It feels tight, urgent, or heavy. True source frequency, on the other hand, feels like expansion. It feels like a deep breath. In 2026, the noise will become louder. AI-generated gurus and sophisticated marketing will make it harder to see the truth with your eyes. Make it a practice to check in with your gut during every video you watch and every conversation you have. If your body is clenching, it's telling you that the frequency doesn't match the words. Trust the clench more than the charisma. Your cells do not lie. Your body gives you the first red flag, but the mind is clever and often tries to talk us out of what we feel. That's why we move to level 2, which is about looking past the glow and looking at the ground, the actual results of a teaching. Part 3, Level 2, The Fruit of the Spirit, Action versus Aesthetics. Level 2 discernment is about looking at the fruits of a teaching or a teacher. In the digital world, it is very easy to create a spirituality aesthetic. You can buy the right crystals, wear the right clothes, and use the right vocabulary about vibrations. But aesthetics are not attainment. To use level 2 discernment, you must look at the actual life of the person or the results of the practice. Does this teaching lead to more peace, or does it lead to more drama? Does the guru empower their followers to stand on their own? Or do they create a cult of personality where they are the only ones with the answers? False light thrives on the specialness trap. It tells you that you are part of an elite group and that everyone else is asleep. This is spiritual ego. True light, however, is humble. It doesn't need to put others down to feel high. If a movement is built on ego gratification, shadow projections, or financial exploitation, it doesn't matter how high vibe the music is, the fruit is rotten. Real transformation produces calm, stable, and independent human beings. Look at the ground, not the sky. Part 4, Level 3, The Sovereignty Test, Dependency versus Empowerment. This is where many seekers get stuck for decades. Level 3 is the sovereignty test. The primary goal of the false light is to move you from one form of dependency to another. It wants you to stop depending on the government or mainstream religion so that you start depending on them. If a spiritual practice tells you that you need a specific person, a specific ritual, or a specific secret knowledge to be saved, it is a dependency loop. It is an intermediary system. True spiritual discernment recognizes that any path that places a middleman between you and the source is a distraction. A true teacher is like a signpost. They point the way, but they don't ask you to worship the signpost. They want you to move past them. They want to be out of a job. If you feel like you are becoming less capable of making your own decisions the longer you follow a path, you are in a false light trap. True discernment leads to self-reliance. It leads back to your own inner kingdom. You are the priest, the prophet, and the savior of your own life. Sovereignty is the goal, but the system is very clever at using our own fears against us. This leads us to level 4, where we learn to spot the hidden hook that even the most advanced seekers often miss: the frequency of urgency. We are decoding the layers of spiritual truth to help you stay unshakable. If this video is helping you sharpen your inner eye, hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and every person who joins strengthens our collective discernment. Now, let's look at the hidden hook. Part 5, Level 4, the frequency of fear, the urgency trap. Level 4 discernment involves identifying the frequency of fear disguised as love or protection. This is the most common tactic used in alt media and New Age circles. It's the emergency frequency. It sounds like this: the world is ending in 3 months, and only those who do this specific meditation will survive, or the dark forces are attacking, and you must buy this frequency shielding device now. Do you feel the hook? It's urgency. Fear-mongering is a low-frequency vibration. Even if the information being shared is true in some sense, the way it is shared is designed to harvest your emotional energy. True source frequency is timeless. It doesn't panic. It doesn't rush you. It doesn't use fear of missing out to get your attention. If a message leaves you feeling panicked and rushed, it is an archonic frequency. Discernment means saying, I see the information, but I refuse to take on the fear. You can be aware of the world's chaos without becoming a part of it. A sovereign soul stays calm while the world panics. Part 6, the trap of universal love, the lack of boundaries. Another aspect of level 4 is the toxic positivity trap. Some false light paths tell you that discernment is judgmental and that everything is one, so everything is good. They tell you to just love everything and ignore the darkness. This is a clever way to dismantle your energetic shield. If you believe that you shouldn't judge or discern, you become an open door for parasites. True discernment is not judgment, it is differentiation. It is the ability to say, I am one with the source, but I am not one with this specific toxic behavior. Real love has boundaries. Real light has the strength to say no. If a teaching tells you to stay in an abusive situation because it's all a mirror, it is false light. It is trying to keep you in the victim role by dressing it up as spiritual growth. Real light protects life, it doesn't offer it up for harvest. We have analyzed the body, the fruits, the dependency, and the fear. But all of these are still external tests. Level 5 is the final step, and it is the most important one because it is the only one that can never be faked by the system. Part 7, Level 5, the direct source connection, the internal witness. We have reached the master key, direct Gnosis. Level 5 discernment is the ability to bypass the mind and the emotions and connect directly to the internal witness. Every human being has a fragment of the original source within them, an unhackable core. This part of you is not affected by the matrix. It cannot be tricked, it cannot be bought, and it cannot be programmed. Level 5 discernment is the practice of sitting in that still point and asking, does this resonate with the truth of who I am? This isn't an intellectual question, it's a vibrational alignment. When you are in level 5, you don't think something is true, you know it is. It's like hearing a bell ring, you don't need someone to explain the sound, you just hear the resonance. The control system spends billions of dollars to keep you away from this level. They want you looking at the news, looking at the gurus, looking at the spiritual war outside. Why? Because the moment you connect to your own level 5 discernment, you are uncontrollable. You no longer need an expert to tell you what is happening. You see through the illusion because you are standing in the light that created the universe. This is the ultimate goal of the sovereign path, to be your own priest, your own prophet, and your own guide. Conclusion, the sovereign shield. Discernment is a muscle. It gets stronger the more you use it. In the coming year, the false light will become even more sophisticated. AI-generated gurus, miracle technologies, and new political saviors will all try to claim your attention. But you have the tools now. Check your body. Look at the fruits. Guard your sovereignty. Reject the frequency of fear. And most importantly, always return to the still point inside you. You don't need to fear the deception if you are standing in the truth. You are a sovereign being of the original source. Trust your eyes. Trust your heart. Trust yourself. You are the one you have been waiting for. Have you ever followed a teacher or a spiritual path only to realize later that it was a false light trap? What was the red flag that finally woke you up? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might be the very thing that helps another soul avoid the same trap. If you want to keep sharpening your discernment for the year ahead, like this video and hit subscribe. Let's reach our 1,000 sub goal and build a community of clear-seeing, sovereign souls together.